And to other stories now, the egg industry is still scrambling to recover after Hurricane Melissa. But this evening, the Jamaica Egg Farmers Association says it is cautious about the government's decision to temporarily allow egg imports. Sandy Williams explains.
A massive chicken house under construction. Across Jamaica, some farms look like this. Giant chicken houses being rebuilt piece by piece. Board, zinc, and determination. Farmers hit hardest say the recovery cost is enormous and they can't afford another blow.
We are very fearful of damage that can be done to the local egg industry if the importation is not managed. A lot of the farmers, many of the farmers who were damaged, are now rebuilding.
Hundreds of chickens outside on a large-scale farm, some wandering between feeder stations, others clustering under shade structures. President of the Jamaica Egg Farmers Association, Mark Campbell, says farmers are already stretched thin. His operation suffered a 70 to 75% loss, about 20,000 birds gone in a matter of hours.
I was in the process at the time of constructing a new house, which we have just completed, and birds will be placed in here beginning tonight, actually.
Inside the newly finished chicken house, two curious chickens wandering through the brand new drinker lines as if they're inspecting the work. It's proof that farmers are trying to rebuild smarter and stronger, but they need the right support. The Jamaica Egg Farmers Association had also urged the government to waive duties on imported eggs, arguing that without it, prices would be sky high and consumers would be the ones feeling the pinch in their baskets.
We're thankful that the government granted the waiver, but we don't want a situation that you are jumping out of the frying pan into the fire if what I am hearing that it will not be managed in the way we recommended. That two of our stakeholders, that was our recommendation, two of our major stakeholders be allowed to bring the eggs in, and the distribution will be through the Jamaica Egg Farmers Association.
For now, the industry is cautiously hopeful, but keeping its eyes peeled, watching to see how the government plans to control the import process. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.